Blinding Lights by The Weeknd. We're not going to be learning the whole entire song. We're going to be learning something called the hook. So the hook of the song is like usually a short little melody that is the most memorable part of the song. And so it's this part right here. So that's it. It's like the melody or the instrumental part before the singing starts. This one, it's super easy because it's in our key of F major for trumpet. So pretty easy notes. Let's start with phrase 1. I'm going to slow it down. I'll play it for you slowly, and then I'll tell you what the notes are. 1, 2, 3, 4. So as you can see, we have the notes on the screen here for you. Let's go over the notes of this first phrase. G, rest, F, G, A, D, F. Check it out again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest. Now we go to phrase 2, and actually it's exactly the same. So pretty cool. Just do the same thing over again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here's phrase 3, and it's the last thing we need to learn. We're going to go up to kind of a high note. C, C, A, G, F, C, A, G, F, and then it ends on a G. So here is phrase 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's try putting these 3 phrases together, and we'll play sort of a medium slow tempo, like bum, 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 bum. Let's give it a try. Music is on the screen. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can see I have a repeat sign on the sheet music, and that means when we go to play it sort of for real, we're going to try to do it 2 times in a row, just so it's not so short. So the next thing we're going to try is, actually the last thing we're going to try is we're going to try to take this up to the real tempo that we have on the original song. And it's pretty quick. It's 171 beats per minute. We have a little drum beat here that we're going to play along with. It sounds like this. It's pretty fast. Bum, bum, ba 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 bum, bum, ba 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 ba. Pretty quick, right? So for the count in, you're going to hear the click go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we play. Now this is pretty quick, so if you have trouble with playing it this fast, don't stress out. Just give it a try, and then probably you're going to have to practice this for a while at your own speed to get comfortable with it. All right, here we go. Repeat. And that's it. That 4-measure phrase is what we call the hook, or the catchy melody from this song, Blinding Lights by The Weeknd. And it's pretty straightforward. You just play it twice. It's a lot of fun. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to the channel so you can get all of our trumpet videos and all the other videos that we have. Thanks for watching. Now go practice.